Okay, so let's see how we do inverse of trigonometric functions. So I want to do trigonometric function, let's say 10. I want to do inverse. What I write is A10, that's it. And then I provide the number. So 10 is basically like you can put anything in it. So I'm going to give, let's say, 1. When does it give me 1? When it gives me 1, when the radian value of 10 is angle is 0.7854, which should be equal to pi by 4. Yep, that is. So that's how you find inverse. So you want to find inverse of any trigonometric function, you just precede that trigonometric function by a. Let's say you want to do inverse of sine. What do? You write a sine. That's it. So a sine 0 has to be 0, and a sine 1, let's see, I don't know what it's gonna return me. Okay, 1.57. That's perfect, I would say. Okay, and if you, what happens if you type in a sine some number which is definitely not in the range of sine, which is you're not supposed to? For example, we all know that sine can take values, inverse of sine can take values between -1 and 1. So what if I enter 5? Well, it's gonna give me some imaginary number which does not make sense. Okay, perfect. That was basically inverse of trigonometric functions. And logarithm you can do by typing log of any number. Let's say you want to calculate log of 8. So this is the log of 8. Log of 8 assumes that the base for this log is e. So if you want to say, let's just check what happens when I do log exponent of 1. Come on. See, it gives me 1. That means the base of this log has to be e. Okay, MATLAB has 3 different logs, logarithm with the three different base. For example, one is e, the second one is 10, and the third one is 2. So we have log 10, that works. So see, okay, log 10 is available, and we also have log 2 base. See, it works. But if you try to check for log 3, you're gonna have to make some arrangement. Log 3, yeah, it's not recognized, so you're gonna have to make some arrangement for that. Okay, perfect. That was log and inverse.